Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial: how to transfer money from PayPal to a debit card in 2025. Whether you're a freelancer getting paid through PayPal or just managing your online funds, knowing how to move that money quickly to your debit card can save you time and hassle. Let's jump right in. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it with confidence. First things first, make sure you have the PayPal app or website open on your device. Start by logging into your PayPal account using your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, go ahead and verify that too. It's all about keeping your money secure. Once you're logged in, head over to the Wallet section, usually found on the main dashboard. Here, you'll see your PayPal balance. Look for the option that says Transfer Funds or Withdraw Money. Click on that, and it should prompt you to select a destination for your transfer. Now, from the list of options, choose your linked debit card. If your debit card isn't linked yet, don't worry, there's usually a button to add it quickly. You'll need to enter your card details, like the card number, expiration date, and security code. After that, enter the amount you want to transfer. PayPal might show you any fees involved, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Double-check everything for accuracy, then hit the Confirm or Transfer button. PayPal will process the request, and depending on your bank, the funds could hit your debit card in as little as a few minutes or up to a couple of business days in 2025, thanks to faster payment systems. A quick tip: always verify your bank's processing times and ensure your debit card is eligible for instant transfers. That's it, you're all set. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.